Hi, AIM students. I just wanted to say hello and give you a quick intro for this week. We've got a couple of activities that we put up for you, as in I mean the science team. Miss Meyer and Miss Anderson helped me plan for the week, and then I differentiated for you guys. So we have some similar activities, but a little bit different as well. So as you guys go through this, you are going to notice that we have an orange folder. It's unpublished right now in my video, but I will publish it for you or else you won't be able to see this video. So when you are looking at this, you guys are going to have 3 activities, lesson 1, 2, and 3. And they are inside the folder, but when I go in the folder, my view looks different from yours. So we have lesson 1, which is going to be an article where you are going to read the article and pick 2 highlighter colors to highlight the cause of a mass extinction and then highlight in a different color the result of the mass extinction. We are going to hit submit because it won't be in a Google Doc. It'll be on Schoology in our normal Google class assignments or Google assignments, so you can turn those in. Then lesson 2 has a video for you to watch and then a drag and drop. Make sure you've got a cause and effect. I would recommend having this lesson 1 article pulled up. It definitely is going to have a lot of hints for you. And then you also have lesson 3, which is going to be a 1-pager on a Google slide. So you guys do not have to do the border, but you do have to do all the other stuff. So these 3 things should be in titles and bullets. So you should have a little title section with some bullets to describe each of those. And then you also have your FQ over here. Why do scientists believe we are in the 6th mass extinction event? So you get to just focus on the 6th mass extinction. 1 Google slide, make sure you delete this side before submitting. Your relevant pictures should probably match these bullet points. And then, I don't think you can see it. I have to move my screen. It says that you will include the FQ in a paragraph upon answering the question, or with answering the question. That way you guys can show me your thinking. But remember, these are for feedback. These are not going to be for a points value that is going to give you a grade. So this week is just trying this out, making sure we all understand how we are going to work through this. I am available by email. You guys know my emails, nvhill2@cherrycreekschools.org. Use your Cherry Creek email. That way it tells me who you are. Sometimes if you use your personal email and you forget to sign your email, I don't know exactly who you guys are. So please use your Cherry Creek email. Please talk to me. Let me know how things are going. If you need more resources, I can definitely add some in. Just keep me up to date. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a good day.